If working on the down, if you raise the cookie forward, away from the dog, parallel with the ground, forward, he will learn to crawl.
Okay.
Okay? If you take the cookie and raise, so basically what happened is that you've got his head too low. His head is down and his butt's still in the air.
Okay.
You need to raise his head, but actually push the cookie just a tad bit into him. So he's kind of like an accordion, and he kind of squishes backwards, which is going to lower the butt. Okay, try your down again.
Army down.
Now towards him, towards him. There you go. Now higher. Turn your hand upside down. Turn your hand. Okay, but put your cookie above his head. Okay, Shirley. This way. There you go. Okay, Carmi. Okay.
Down.
And push towards him. No, you're going to the ground.
Okay.
There. Now upward. No, turn your hand back the other way. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, so here. I'm going to take Carmi. You're going to take the camera.
Okay.
And there you go. Hand me that leash. Good. I'm still dealing with that bad back. Then Carmi. Okay. No. Okay. So you're going to walk him forward first. We want him in a stand. Attaboy. Okay. Now a little bit down, just a little, half an inch, and towards him. Towards him. That's it. That's it. Nice down. You have a tendency that when he starts down, you want to pull it away from him. Forward, as you say.
Okay.
If you pull it forward, he's going to sit. He's not going to lay down.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. Okay, walk him forward until he's standing. There you go. Okay, above his head, get your hand up. Good. Now push towards him and downward. Nice job. Tell him. Good down.
Good down.
Good down, and a big release. Okay.
Okay.
Nice job. Very good.
Good.
All right.
So I think I was doing more of the lowering down, but I realize now we're doing.
Right. So do you remember why we want him to do what is referred to as a one-piece down? In other words, going from the stand to the down?
Because they don't lift his butt up.
Because in utility, you don't want him moving forward.
No.
And a lot of times, if you watch the utility classes, the problem is the dog never gets down. They go from the stand to the sit, and then they stop. Okay? You want your dog to learn to go from that down, from the stand into the down.
I see what you're saying, because some of them will go from a stand to a sit to a down, and you don't want that.
And they never get to the down portion. All right? Because your signal by that time has stopped, and they go, well, fine, you stop signaling, I'll stop downing. Okay? So, and it also makes them go down in place where their front feet don't move. Their front feet should not be moving forward. They should stand in one spot and go down.
Okay, and that's what that does. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Good.